friends. Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to stir-fry celery with Chinese sausage. You may consider to cook this dish if you have remaining Chinese sausage left after CNY. This dish is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Consuming celery regularly can reduce asthma symptoms. Vitamin C present in celery prevents free radicals from damaging any organs and lessens the severity of conditions such as asthma. Celery eases menstrual discomfort to some extent. Celery can ease bloating during menstruation due to its high water content. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are Chinese sausage and celery. Celery peel off fiber and slices. Soak Chinese sausage with hot water too. Remove outer casing, then sliced and set aside. Chinese sausage. Celery slices. Add water if to dry. Add 1 tsp salt and 1 tsp chicken powder to taste. stir-fry celery and Chinese sausage. This dish is appetizing and goes well with rice. It has savory Chinese sausage, aromatics, which is delicious. The sausage itself is very greasy, so there is no need to add cooking oil. Just fry it over low heat to get the oil out. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. There are more delicious easy celery recipes in my channel. Do check them all. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.